Good morning. Potential of various renewable energy sources are discussed in this video. Potential of various renewable energy sources. India has substantial potential for various renewable energy sources, each contributing uniquely to the country's energy mix. The energy mix includes solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy, ocean energy, geothermal energy, and hydropower energy. The breakdown of different elements are discussed in the previous slides. Solar energy. First one, solar energy. India has an estimated solar energy potential of 750 gigawatts. That is equal to 1 gigawatt is 1000 megawatt, which is equal to 7,50,000 megawatt, driven by high solar insolation levels across most regions. High performance regions for solar energy include states like Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Andhra Pradesh have some of the highest solar radiation levels, making them prime areas for solar projects. Technological advancements for solar energy. Advances in photovoltaic technology (PV technology) and large-scale solar parks such as those in Kutch, Gujarat, and Pavagada, Karnataka are harnessing this potential effectively. The second one, potential of wind energy. India's onshore wind energy potential is estimated around 300 gigawatt based on wind speeds and available land. The offshore wind potential is also significant, with estimates suggesting around 70 gigawatt of the coast of Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. High performance regions for wind energy. Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh are among the best locations for wind energy, with favorable wind speeds and consistent wind patterns. Growth of wind energy. Continued investments and advancements in wind turbine technology are expected to help unlock more of this potential. Third one, biomass energy. Potential of biomass energy. India has a biomass energy potential of around 25 gigawatt or 25,000 megawatt. This includes energy from agricultural residues, animal waste, and municipal solid waste. High performance regions for biomass energy. States with large agricultural sectors such as Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh have significant biomass resources. Applications of biomass energy can be used for power generation, biogas production, and biofuels. And ocean energy. Potential of ocean energy. India's potential for ocean energy, including tidal and wave energy, is not fully quantified but is considered promising. Tidal energy potential is particularly notable in regions with high tidal ranges such as the Gulf of Kutch and the Sundarbans. Challenges of ocean energy. Ocean energy technologies are still in the early stages of development and require significant research and investment also. Geothermal energy. India's geothermal energy potential is estimated at around 10 gigawatt or 10,000 megawatt. However, this potential is largely untapped, with only a few pilot projects and exploration efforts underway. High performance regions for geothermal energy. The potential geothermal resources are found in regions of the Himalayas, the Tatapani region in Chhattisgarh, and Puga Valley in Ladakh. Hydropower energy. India has a theoretical hydropower potential of around 148 gigawatt with about 45,000 megawatt of installed capacity. The practical potential is somewhat lower due to environmental and socio-economic factors. High performance regions. The Himalayan region, including states like Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and Arunachal Pradesh, has significant hydropower potential. Challenges of hydropower energy. Large scale projects face challenges related to environmental impacts, displacement of communities, and long development times. Thank you.